Hey guys, it's Hi-Fi Trainer, and in this video we're gonna learn about relative strength. So let's go into the video.
Relative strength is an indicator which is used by investors to identify stocks that are good for investing. So you can use this indicator to see how well a stock that you're going to invest in is doing. It's basically used to compare a stock to its index or another company. If the stock is outperforming the index, then it's a possible investment. Think about it like this. In a class, there's a student called Mike. Mike got 50% in his maths test, whereas the class's average score is 70%. This means that Mike is underperforming compared to his class. In the same class, there's another student called George. George got 90% in his test. As 90% is above the class's average of 70%, this means that George is outperforming compared to his class. This is exactly what relative strength shows. So let's take an example. Okay, Microsoft. Microsoft is doing better than, say, S&P 500. That means that Microsoft is outperforming S&P 500. Relative strength can be used to exit from bad stocks and invest in value stocks. If the relative strength is above 0, it means that the stock is outperforming the stock or index that you're comparing it with. But if it is below 0, it means that the stock is underperforming the stock or index that you're comparing with. Let's look at some of the charts to understand this further. This is Apple's daily chart. To add relative strength to the chart, click on Indicators, then search Relative Strength, and click over here. Now you can see relative strength on your chart. For me, by default, it's comparing Apple with S&P 500. To change it, click on the Settings tab here. Then type in the stock or index you want to compare it with beside the comparative symbol. So I'm going to type in Microsoft and then click OK. Now as you can see, there's a line chart that formed here. It looks similar to RSI, but if you see the readings beside it, they show numbers above 0 as well as numbers below 0, and it does not show overbought and oversold levels. All you have to look at on relative strength is if the relative strength now is above 0 or is it below 0. If you see here the relative strength is above 0, that means that Apple is outperforming Microsoft. Now let's type in Tesla here to see what happens. So if you see here, the relative strength is below 0. That means that Tesla is outperforming Apple and Apple is actually underperforming Tesla. Now let's take another company. So let's take Motoko. And let's compare it with Nifty 50. Okay, so if you see here, relative strength is above 0. That means that Motoko is outperforming Nifty 50.
Thank you for watching. If you want more trading related content, please subscribe.